In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sonato AI to generate music. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is open up a web browser and head on over to Sonato AI. Now from here, we need to go ahead and log in and sign up. So I'm just going to basically log in or sign up with my Google account. So I'm just going to go through this process. Now, once we've done that, it's going to take us back to Sonauto. Now, once we're back here, you'll see a text box asking for a prompt. So you've got simple or advanced. And now in this box here, type a description of the music you want. So for example, epic orchestra soundtrack with choirs and heavy drums. Now from here, we've got fancy mode. If we can click that, if you wanted to use fancy mode or not fancy mode, it's up to you. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate. And now I'll come to this page here where it's going to generate this track for us. So I'll give that a few moments to do its thing. Okay, so it's taken probably almost a minute and a half to complete this. Now, if you want to listen to your track, we've got two options here. So have a listen to the first one here. It's not bad. It's kind of what I'm after. Now check out the next one. Pretty good. Now if you want to edit this, we can go and click on advanced, so then we can put some more tags in here. We've got custom lyrics, no lyrics. Now if we go fancy mode, more advanced, there's more stuff, so we can have the lyrics and style strength. We can change this. Now they might have a little warning here, so use with care. Most cases going above 2 will only make results sound worse, so you want to keep it under 2. And balance, you can play around with that. Beats per minute, we can change that disabled, auto or manual. You can change your beats per minute from 40 to 300. And also we've got the experiment boost style, and you go ahead and generate another track. And then from here, yeah, so once you've got the track, we can go ahead and click onto it, and then it'll say publish on the right. So we can go ahead and click on publish. So you create your profile, display name, and all that stuff, and then you can share your song or even download it too.